Common faults in induction motors and how to fix them. Induction motors are widely used due to their reliability, but like any electrical machine, they are not immune to faults. Understanding these faults and how to fix them is essential for every electrician and engineer. Let's look at the most common issues. 1. Overheating. Overheating is one of the most frequent problems. It can be caused by overloading, poor ventilation, low voltage, or high ambient temperature. Solution: reduce the load, ensure proper cooling, clean air vents, and verify that the supply voltage is within the rated range. 2. Failure to start. If a motor doesn't start, the issue could be single phasing, low voltage, faulty starter components, or winding damage. Solution: check the power supply, inspect contactors and overload relays, and test the windings for continuity. 3. Excessive vibration and noise. This is usually due to misalignment, unbalanced load, or worn-out bearings. Solution: realign the motor and load, balance rotating parts, and replace damaged bearings. 4. Bearing failure. Bearings can fail due to lack of lubrication, contamination, or excessive load. Solution: apply proper lubrication, use clean grease, and replace worn bearings promptly. 5. Insulation failure. Over time, insulation can degrade due to heat, moisture, or electrical stress, leading to short circuits or earth faults. Solution: perform insulation resistance tests regularly and rewind or replace damaged windings when necessary. 6. Rotor faults. Broken rotor bars or end rings can cause reduced torque, overheating, and abnormal noise. Solution: conduct rotor testing and repair or replace the rotor if faults are detected. In conclusion, most induction motor faults fall into electrical, mechanical, or thermal categories. Regular maintenance, proper load management, and routine testing are key to preventing failures and ensuring long service life.